Hello guys, today we'll talk about antidote of methotrexate. So what is the methotrexate? It interferes with the growth of certain cells of the body, especially cells that reproduce quickly, such as cancer cells, bone marrow cells, and skin cells. Methotrexate is used to treat leukemia and certain types of cancer of the breast, skin, head, neck, lung, or uterus. So, what are the three antidotes that have been used for methotrexate toxicity? We have leucovorin, thymidine, and glucarbidase. Thank you so much for watching our video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you soon.